In this video, we'll show you how to install car mods in GTA 5. If you find this helpful, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Thank you very much. So for this video, the mods that we'll be installing is Nissan Skyline GTR. And to install this, you also need Scripthook V plus native trainer and community scripthookv.net and also vehicle spawner. And to modify the GTA 5 directory, we'll need OpenIV here. I'll put all of the link in the description. Before we start, keep in mind that mods are for offline use only, so you cannot play online with these mods. Okay, let's go ahead and download all of the mods. For Nissan Skyline, all you have to do is click download and then click download again. There we go. For Scripthook V, click download and then you'll be directed here. Click download here. For community Scripthook V, click download. And then they'll bring you into the github.com. Go to asset and then click here to download it. And for the vehicle spawner, click download and then download again. There we go. And the last thing is OpenIV. You go down and then click here, download, and download now. Okay, after you have all the necessary files to install the mods, what we have to do here is install the Scripthook V and scripthookv.net. Let's install the Scripthook V first. Alright, you'll need to go to GTA 5 directory. If you're Epic Games user, you can go to library and then click this three dots and manage and click this open install location. Just click that and you'll go to GTA 5 directory. For Steam user, you can go to library and then right click, manage and browse local files. Now that you have the GTA 5 directory open, let's go ahead and open this Scripthook. I'm using WinRAR. It's the same thing if you're using 7-zip. So you go to bin and you'll need these two Scripthook V DLL and the input 8 DLL. Just go ahead and then drag that into GTA 5 directory. Next, the scripthook.net. Here, the files that you need to move into GTA 5 directory is all of this file. Let's go ahead and drag that into the GTA 5 directory. There we go. We've done the first step. Next step is to install the vehicle spawner. You'll need the ASI files and then add-on spawner. Just drag that into GTA 5 directory. And the next step is installing the Nissan GTR. To do it, we have to install the OpenIV first. Let's do it. Press continue and then continue again here. Just install it there and you'll be asked to download 20 megabytes here. Just go ahead and press yes. There we go. Alright, the installation process is done. Okay, now you have to open OpenIV. There we go. And then you select GTA 5, of course. Here, you'll be asked to insert the GTA 5 location. So for example, I'm using Epic Games here and the directory is in Epic Games and then GTA 5. Just click browse and then GTA 5 and select folder. There we go. And in this step, you'll be asked to back up your original files because sometimes it's corrupt. And in that case, you have to re-download it again. So what you can do is copy GTA 5 and then paste it again. Okay. Alright. If you're here now, what you need to do is go to Tools and then the ASI Manager. And you have to install ASI Loader, OpenIV ASI, Open Camera. Go ahead and install that. Alright, what you have to do here is go to Update and then X64 and DLC packs. Here, we have to drag the car mods into DLC packs. Like that. There we go. Okay, now you can go back and click Common, Data, and here, find for DLC list XML and right click and edit. There we go. What we're doing here is to add the car into DLC packs. So to do it, you can press enter and then copy this and paste it here and change this into the name of the files. For this example is R32 and you can press save. I'm gonna test the mods in GTA 5. Let's go and do it. But here, before you open the game, in the Rockstar Games launcher, go to settings and then make sure this is unchecked, the beryl eye, because this is the anti-cheat and you don't want to play online with this mods, okay? Alright, now we are in the game. To open the vehicle spawner, you can press F5. There we go. Let's see if we've successfully installed the car mods. Go to search vehicle and there is it, Nissan Skyline, and you can press enter to spawn it. Boom. There you have it. The car mods is successfully installed. If you find this helpful, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Thank you very much.